Okay, we're doing a walk around video of the LA1153 loader here. Someone did ask to see the pins and bushings up close, so I'm going to start there and just sort of go down here on the right side. There. And just go up here on the cylinder and here. Come around here. I'm going to show you the bucket. There is no rust through, but the back of the bucket has rust started. The worst is down there at the bottom, and it's not through, but and it seems solid. I'll go and kick it on the other side, but those spots, and that's not really through, but it is a little thicker rust. And the rest of the bucket on the back is fine. But then we'll come up to the front, and there's no I guess there's a, no, that looks like it's factory holes, okay. But here's the bottom of the bucket, and there's the back. And that area where I was just at, that is directly in front of that. I'm going to move this bracket, and I'm going to kick it, stomping it as hard as I could. It's not hollow at all, but at least you can see that area. And then there's paint is starting to peel in that corner, but it is solid, and those are not any holes. Those are just some spots. I don't know what, that was just, I just kicked it. It's just some oil dripping that it dripped there. And so here's the one bracket, I guess, showing the brackets here. Does come with those. And coming back here on this side of the loader, that side bucket, the bucket looks good. And then going down and looking at these pins here, there. We have never had this loader came in this way. We have not had it ever mounted to a tractor here. There's the ends of that. There's the rear, that rear, and there's that rear. And just showing it from, you have the sun here in that view, but just showing that. And then here's the loader control or joystick there, and there's this part and some bolts, and there's some pins that go with it. And come back out here, and there you go. Thank you. Oh, and I'm also adding some pictures of a 66-inch bucket we could swap out instead. That's new old stock. That'll be the last three pictures of the listing. If it's not as big a capacity as this bucket, of course, being 66 inches and not quite as tall, but it's brand new, just been outside. It's skid steer quick attach if someone wanted that instead of this 72 bucket. Thank you.